Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you the tool that I using to script comment in any post that I want on Facebook. So this is the tool I using. So first to script the data, you need to add your account in here. So I already add my one account in here. So next to script the comment, I will go to scan bot function. And here you can choose many options like bot scan post list, scan bot comments, scan share group, or scan share UAE. So I will choose scan bot comment. After that, I will set up the basic configurations. So first is a breakable time between interaction. You can set up like this. After that, I will select the account. This account I already add in the drawer. And next, I will write the UID of the post that I want to scan in here. So okay, for example, I want to scan the comment of this post. So I will take the UID of this post and paste it in here. Next, you can set up the number of comments you want to script. And after everything's set up, I just need to press start and let the software to do work. Okay, so here you can see the data of column like about post ID, ID comment, profile UID, profile name, gender of profile or content, and time comment also. Okay, so that's how I use my tool to scrape the data of comment on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you need the tool or more information, you can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel to see more video about automation tool.